how to create product demo videos in HeyGen. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can create demo product videos on HeyGen. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a professional product demo video in HeyGen, what we want to do is we want to launch HeyGen first and go to the app section, which is located from the bottom right corner. Now here you can see you can turn photo to video or prompt to video or cinematic clip or script to video. I would just select, let's say for example, photo to video. Here you want to pick a photo of your product, so add your product link of photo, and here you can simply write the storyboard and script. So you can let any LLM models like ChatGPT or Claude to write a storyboard and the script and just paste that onto the prompt over here. And over there also you can select an AI presenter. So if you want, you can select an AI presenter and voice and render the final HD video by just tapping the next option, for which of course you will require some credits. And that way you can create a professional product video demo in HeyGen. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.